Where was Ayurveda Parao, organized by Ayush Ministry in collaboration with Vinoba Seva Pratishthan. Odisha. The fourth batch of 3 Rafale jets has landed in which state? Gujarat. Who took over the additional charge at ONGC CMD? Subhash Kumar. What is the theme of International Children's Book Day 2021? The music of words. Which government agency has released investment opportunities in India's healthcare sector report? Niti Aayog. Who is the author of the book titled 1232 km The Long Journey Home? Vinod Kapuri. The cabinet has approved an investment of how much amount in the food processing industry under a production-linked incentive scheme? Rupees 10,900 crore. When is World Autism Awareness Day observed? Second April. The State Bank of India raised how much amount from Japan Bank for international cooperation? $1 billion. What is the rank of India in the World Economic Forum's Global Gender Gap Report 2021? (140th). According to a report by ACI Worldwide, which country has topped in real-time payments transactions in 2020? India. Noted Marathi writer Dr. Sharan Kumar Limbale will receive the Saraswati Samman 2020 for his which book? Santan. Which of the following banks to sell its UK arm to OpenPaid Holdings Limited? Axis Bank. Which state's agricultural university has been selected for the Chancellor's Award 2020 in the category of specialized universities? Kerala. Which movie bagged the top prize at the 2021 Producers Guild of America Awards? Nomad Land.